It's the night before the big Batis love shoot that we're using the 85 1.8 and the 40mm f2. Now I want something special. And we're not just talking bokeh. I want bokeh, but I want bokeh that pulls at the heartstrings. We've got our lens hood, we've got a piece of felt paper, some shears, and a magic marker. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna take that felt paper and we're gonna line the inside of it. By lining it, it's gonna seal out all the light and we're gonna create a little heart right in the center. We're gonna hopefully frame our subjects in this beautiful bouquet of heart-shaped bokeh to really send home that feeling of love. Those little out-of-focus lights that we've all come to know and love, this is next level bokeh we're dealing with right here. I wanted to make sure that this is turnkey and ready to go before we shoot our models tomorrow. What we have inside here is just this little teeny cutout, and that little cutout provided us all that love that you guys were able to see through that lens. I mean, this is absolutely perfect. Now, what's so great about using a cutaway like that is that I'm getting it right in camera. For me as a photographer, I didn't get into this to be in front of a computer. I did it so that way I can be out there with my clients, I can get portfolio work done, and I can be out there with my students teaching. And you can see that even in camera, these things are absolutely going to excel. Now, I don't have any time because it's about pouring rain right now and I don't have any rain cover. We freaking broke California tonight because there was like 1-2 clouds in the sky, tops. And then out of the blue, torrential downpour, completely soaking my gear. I don't have to worry too much. All the stuff is weather sealed. These Batis lenses have no worries at all. We survived. Now, back to bokeh. Okay guys, so what we're doing right now is we're about to create our heart-shaped bokeh. I'm gonna take this thing for a little walk so you can see the images that we're getting as we're getting closer to our subjects here. And you can see how absolutely gorgeous this setting is. Here's our behind the scenes setup as we're sweeping wide. We've got a sandwich of light with our Stella lights. We're using a Stella 5000 and a 2000 to illuminate the hair to create the stunning results that you guys are about to see. What we were able to capture for this Zeiss Picture Love campaign, absolutely stunning. Thank you so much to Krishan Jackson, who is my assistant here, and our two lovely models there. We'll put a link in the description so that way you can follow them on Instagram. If you like these videos and you want to see more of them, click like, hit subscribe, ding that little bell for me. I love it when you ring the bell. A lot of really cool stuff soon to come, not just with the Batis series lenses, but we've got some really cool underwater stuff, awesome models, and bitchin' locations. All right guys, till next time, see ya.